welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, my name is Juliana. So glad you guys can make it. Make sure to subscribe down below and click that bell button. Today I'm going to be filming my everyday makeup tutorial. If you guys aren't looking at me right now, I already did my makeup. It's because I pre-filmed it and then filming my intro now. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, so I am gonna be getting ready and I'm just now putting my foundation on. I use the L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-hour wear. It's just a drugstore foundation. Gets the job done. I have a pretty in-depth foundation routine. Let me finish my foundation.
No cap, been there, done that. We've been where it wasn't good.
Now that I have done my foundation, I'm gonna do my concealer. I usually use the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Wear Concealer as well. This is like a Tarte Shape Tape dupe and I love it. It is just so full coverage and it's a really good concealer. And then I actually cream contour with like a darker concealer. So this is the Maybelline New York Instant Age Rewind in deep bronze, and I actually do this. So I do like cream contour and I just tried this yesterday and it actually turned out really well, so I'm gonna do it again. Just do it like right there and that's it. So now I'm just gonna try to find like an old foundation brush. I look kind of crazy right now, but it's gonna turn out well, don't worry. I'm just gonna use my beauty blender and I'm just gonna blend all of this out.
Girl, I've been calling, but it never goes through. Pick up the phone, pick up the phone, Oh, I've been trying to doubt you.
Contour and everything, and now I'm just gonna powder up. So I use I swear, video is not sponsored by L'Oreal. I just use a lot of L'Oreal Paris products, but I have the L'Oreal Paris True Match Super Blendable Powder, and this is in light ivory, and I'll just use a basic powder brush like this one. This is what I use, and I'll just put this powder all over my face. Now I'm like kind of like at a crossroad because I'm trying to figure out like what I can do, like if I should use like 2 different powders for my cheeks and then for my under eyes and everything, or should I use like the same powder for my entire face, because once I use the same powder for my entire face it turns my face all one color. So I don't know, I'm at like a crossroad. Now I'm gonna do like powder bronzer. So I have the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette and I'm gonna use this. So if you guys have not even heard of this, it's got like 3 powders and 3 bronzers. This is the bronzer that I use the most. It is like my most used bronzer. I love it. It's like the perfect shade and I use the same brush to apply it. So I'll just like
let me down, but don't drown me out. Stop playing, little mama, pick the phone up and
now that I've used the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, I'm gonna use the blush, and I have been loving this NARS blush. This is the NARS Orgasm X blush. It is this really bright shimmery pink color. Like, would you look at that? Like, look at that, you guys. It is so pretty, and I use like an angled brush for this one. So I have like a smaller brush and it's more angled. I'm going to apply a little bit of eyeshadow. I don't normally do a lot of eyeshadow, but if I do, this is normally what I do. So I use the Truth or Bare palette from Morphe, and this is, I recently got this and I really like it. It's just a bunch of like neutral colors. Use like more of like a blending brush, and then I'll usually just apply like this basic, like right up here, basic like bronzer shaded like crease color, and I'll apply this in my crease.
You can ask me whatever, whenever. Got me feeling as high as it's.
Now that I've applied that crease color, I'm gonna just take this like color right here. As you can see, I've kind of dented it. I usually just take my finger and apply it on my lid. It's like a really like shimmery taupe color, and I really like this color. It goes very well on my lid.
You say you got gold.
I'm gonna apply false lashes. I never do false lashes. This is just something new I've been doing, and I'm gonna get the hang of it eventually, but I use the Kiss lashes. These are the Kiss So Wispies. This number. And I have this lash glue. I love this lash glue. It's so good. So I'm gonna take the pairs that I've been wearing. They actually went on a little bit better today. It's really functioning. So don't worry, it's not gonna look like this the whole time. My eyes are gonna be better. Okay, so that's one lash down. Good to go. Okay, so I got my lashes on. Now I'm gonna apply some actual mascara over them. I'm gonna use the Lash Paradise mascara from L'Oreal. I told you guys, I don't know why I use L'Oreal products so much. Now that I got my lashes on, I'm gonna do my lip color. I usually do like a lip liner and then a lip gloss. I have a ton of lip liners. I'm just gonna do a basic lip liner. I have like this nude in here. Yeah, this nude one. It's like this color. I'm gonna use this one.
The top of the head to the tip of the tongue, but I stayed in my place. Should've said what I felt, could've spared you the pain. Funny, cause you probably
now I'm gonna put just a basic gloss on. Okay, I'll just do this Buxom one. It's just like a Buxom plump gloss. I'll use this one.
When I hold you, I know you were up thinking back to.
And that's my makeup. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, make sure to subscribe like I said, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.